Hey guys, morning, morning. Happy Tuesday. How are you guys today? So, let's see. Today, I honestly don't like how the market is. I wanted to skip today. I wanted to skip trading today because I don't think the market is gonna provide today a good setup. May It's been too choppy the last few days, and I don't love any like individual stocks to trade. But the ones that I maybe like a little bit are Meta, Microsoft, and AMD. So AMD under 105 is very bearish. I would love to see AMD retesting 105 so it can give us a maybe a like a break and retest to enter to the downside. Um, but yeah, I don't love anything. But 105 on AMD, a retest or pre-market low, it could be a good opportunity to play the downside. Microsoft, I was looking 332.60 or 336, but I can see now everything is like gapping down a little bit. So I liked Microsoft for a play to the upside. I don't like it anymore how with this move here. Meta was the other one that I liked, but for the upside. Um, but I'm looking 310, 312 to see if can hold here on Meta. I'm gonna move this a little bit higher here. 312. But yeah, I don't love anything. I don't think I'm gonna have any like A plus setup today. Don't love anything. Um, but I'm gonna try to look for plays. Um, Spy and the Q. Um, let's see. It's been very choppy, so I don't like how the market is trading. I think it's very difficult to trade when you have like the past 3, 4 days with no clear trend or being chopping around in a big range. But I can see if the Q loses 364, it's definitely very, very bearish. If in SPY will be 430, it will be very, very bearish. Above 438.50, it's bullish, but that's a huge range to play it off. So yeah, I don't love anything. Meme, Tupperware memes. So yeah, morning, morning, welcome. So yeah, I don't really like anything. I don't feel like trading today. I only came here because of you guys, honestly, because if I didn't have the stream, I would not be here on my computer looking for trades. The only one that I like right now after this pre-market move the past um like 20 minutes, it's AMD. If you can give me a pullback to 105, a pullback to 105 can give me a entry to play the downside. But I find SPY and the Q very difficult to trade today, or to read, even to read. I have no idea what to play here on the SPY and the Q. If I don't feel like trading, like if I don't feel like I can read SPY or the Q, I don't feel comfortable trading. But yeah, AMD is the only one that I like right now. AMD and Meta, if you can go to 312. But even if Meta goes to 312, I would not be looking to play the upside here because I think the market looks very weak. Very, very weak. Extremely weak. So I don't like the upside. Yeah, thank you guys for being here. I really, really appreciate you guys for the support, for likes, for subscribing to the channel. So let's see, maybe the market give us a good like trade today. Um, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I don't like anything. Don't love anything. Um, After 11 a.m., the market yesterday was very choppy, so I don't know. I think we need like a clear, like a break of these huge range that the SPY and the Q are moving in. Maybe we get it today because the market is looking very, very weak, but still don't know. Ooh, okay. Oh no, Netflix. Yeah, Netflix looks great to play puts under 363, but I will not play Netflix because it has earnings today. So definitely not playing Netflix or Tesla or tomorrow. They have earnings tomorrow, right? No, the only one that I like is AMD. It's already dying, so I cannot trade that. So yeah, let's see. What's going on with Meta? Why it's moving so weird? Oh no, I think it's trading view. Microsoft under 330 could be a good one to play the downside also. Let's say 432 is gonna hold here. Or yesterday's low is gonna reject. Maybe that could be a play here. If it's SPY or the Q um fill the gap to yesterday's low and reject there. Let's see. That will be a very good entry for to play the downside. Yeah, but 140 on Google, it's been acting weird. One oh 140. Mm, watch Google if can lose yesterday's low. If use obviously 140 as support, it can be bullish, but it's rejecting their 140. I'm looking here for a SPY to go a little bit higher and see if we can reject here. The Q is very, very weak. Okay, AMD dead. Meta, it's rejecting there. I'm gonna be patient here today because I don't like anything. Damn, AMD. AMD. Okay, so Apple is at 176. 176 is an important level here. Let's see if Apple is gonna lose 176 or not. If loses 176, I'm gonna play the downside on the Q. I'm gonna start adding here. Well, no, I'm gonna wait how Apple is gonna react to 176. But I kind of want to start adding here to SPY for the downside. Yeah, I'm gonna start adding here. Just, I have only two. I'm gonna wait and see if Apple is gonna lose 176. If Apple loses 176, I'm gonna add more maybe to the Q because the Q is very, very weak. Meta, it's a good one here to play the downside. And Apple if loses 176. It looks like the Q wants to feel this weak here. Nvidia down 5%. Damn. That's some news or something. What happened to Nvidia? Why so dead? A retest of 440 could be a good one. Oh, okay. Thank you. That's funny, George. Mm, okay, this is a little bit tricky because the market opened very weak, but it could just bounce here and just fill the gap that it just made. Let's see, because Apple is like trying to hold 176. If Apple bounce here and holds 176, the market's gonna move higher. If loses 176, the market's gonna die. Everything's moving very, very, very slow. Okay, 434. I think it's an important level here. It's 433.80, 434. If it's buy, I can use, I will say 434 as support, more like 433.80 as support. That's pretty bullish, and we're gonna have a green day, or at least the morning is gonna be like up. If reject here, that's a perfect entry to play the downside. In fact, I'm gonna add one more there. What happened? Okay. Mm, 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 mm. AMD running. Google rejecting 140. Okay, Apple is looking weak. It's under 176. So we need that. Google is looking weak. I'm gonna go with Google 140 Google 140 puts weekly. Okay. 364 is my PT on the Q play. Spy, let's see, because spy is looking weird. Look where spy is. Look this big gap here. We have a little gap here, which is kind of dangerous. This is a very weird spy chart. Okay, I like that move on Google, on everything. I need spy to die. Anybody took this Q downplayed downside here with me? Google beautiful. It's upside here, definitely lost that upside there. This look like a 3-bar play to the downside on the daily on Google. Nice, nice. Okay, so here I don't care about AMD. I'm gonna put an alert just in case if goes to 105, which I doubt. Spy doesn't want to go down. Why, Spy? Why? Spy is looking bullish. And I don't like that. So my stop loss on this uh ES play that I have on futures is gonna be 434. A little bit below 434. So basically we need SPY to be below this level here. Okay, I like that. Google puts, and we're playing the downside on futures on the Q and SPY. Okay, so I'm gonna start taking profits here on the Q. I'm gonna leave one runner um because it's near my support. If it loses this support, I'll add more. I will wait for like a break and retest there, and I'll add a little bit. But I don't like how um the Q is so weak, but a SPY doesn't want to go lower, even though it looks ugly. Come on, SPY, just die already. Let's see how this 30-minute candle is gonna close in like 9 minutes. It closes like this. SPY is very, very weak. It closes like with a strong bullish candle. We might get up like an upside move here to fill this big gap. But so far it looks very, very weak. So far. Market destruction for the win. I like that. But we gotta be careful here because, okay, Apple is looking definitely weak, but 174.90, 175 could be a support. 364 on the Q could be a support also, and a SPY doesn't want it to go lower. It's like fighting this pre-market low. So a bounce here could happen. Okay. Google looking, Google look puts looking amazing. Damn, Google. Okay, finally, SPY finally dying here. Microsoft is dead also. Watch Google 138, and then if loses 138, it's gonna go down to at least 136. But yeah, Google lost this uptrend here. finally Google paid us because I've been playing Google how many times this week? I think two, maybe. This is the third one. I think so. If the Q loses this 364 support, the next one it's around 362.30 around there, 362.50. I want to see this 5 minute candle closing like it's drawn down so I can add more here. Come on, just keep going lower. SQ and AI. Let's see AI. AI, who was the one that I was looking AI yesterday? The 24 level hold. It's good, but mm, mm, mm. Yeah, AI looks like a good swing trade. If you're willing to add here and hold for at least a month. But so far the SPY and the Q are looking weak, so I would not look right now for to buy calls. Nice, George. That was a good one. Yeah. AI is not looking bad for a swing, for a call swing. I just don't want to enter here with the market being weak. SPY is looking weak. Apple is trying to bounce here. I think as long right now as long as the SPY is on the pre-market low, it's bearish. Obviously, if he's under this our red level here, it's bearish, but I don't want to see a SPY going here and me trying to cut this trade here. I want to see a SPY rejecting this pre-market low level here. Yeah, that's true, George. Also, we okay, November and December, most of the time are green months. So because of the holidays. So we maybe have some type of rotation there. We want to see Apple keep it under 176. I think I should move this here. Maybe move this here. Yeah, we want to see the Q under this line. Everything is bouncing here. Let's see if it's just a dead cat bounce or we're changing direction here. I think if Apple goes over 176 and use VWAP and 90 MA as support, we're gonna change direction here. Spies really fighting, really fighting. Let's be patient here. I'm waiting to see for Apple. If Apple is gonna like use 176 now as support or not? Yeah, that's what I'm seeing, the gaps. But the thing is, it's both, everything has gaps above and below. So it's which gap is gonna fill right now. I don't know. Okay, I like that reaction there on SPY. That is what I wanna see on SPY. Okay, I like that. I like that. Give me a little bit more. Mm, Come on, SPY, just die here. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, I'm gonna get up. Oh, ooh. Let's see if this 5 minute candle is gonna reject VWAP or it's gonna use it as a board. Okay, I'm out or everything. I don't like that. If SPY use this level here as support, um, I'm gonna look to play the upside here for this gap. Let's see how SPY is gonna react here. I wanna see also Apple closing above 176 and above VWAP and INEMA to play the upside. Damn, that's strong. That's insane. There must be some type of news or something. Ooh, I'm playing meta calls. I like this meta. Looks like a 3-bar play here. My stop loss is gonna be morning low. I'm getting the 324 calls. Meta. Oh, 325. 325? It's no 322.5. Nvidia news. Okay, I got in there. This is using this level here as support. So I got in. My stop loss is gonna be under 433.50, and I'm looking to play this gap. It's a choppy market, so with choppy market we need to be fast, I think. Careful here because Apple is rejecting 176 and the Q is right at resistance also. That's yesterday's right at yesterday's low. So the Q needs to break here yesterday's low and use it as support for more upside. What is RSP? Damn, spy. Looks like Google is gonna stop me out. because it's looking very bullish so far. But it needs to break 140 and use it as support. Oh, okay. I'm gonna log some profits here because uh, mm, I don't love how the Q it's under yesterday's low, and Apple is rejecting 176 right now, so I'm just leaving one runner. If I see the Q holding this level here as support, I'd I add more. But I need the Q and Apple above 176. Okay, I'm getting out. I'm all out. I'm gonna try here the downside on the Q. Let's see. I like this rejection here. Yesterday's low. Apple is rejecting here 176. And SPY also. Let's see. If break this level here, yesterday's low, I'm gonna get out. Let's see. We need a SPY and Apple to reject here. Apple is looking like it wants to break 176, which is no bueno for me. Yeah, you're right. I should have waited for confirmation here. Okay, I'm out and I'm done for the day. Mm, 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 mm. Is this thing? Let's see. Looks like I don't know. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it looks like we might like change direction here. Apple is using 176 as support. SPY is looking strong. It's above 434. The Q is still fighting this yesterday's low. But if it uses yesterday's low as support, that's very bullish. And this 30-minute candle is very strong. Okay, last trade. I'm gonna play the upside here and stop me out. That's the last trade that I'm taking. Damn. SPY's definitely going for the gap fill. Okay, I'm gonna stop out of Google because I don't like it. It's the daily is looking very bullish on Google. Only holding Meta calls. How you guys doing so far? You made any money today? The best trade, like the best move was the morning move that I took, and that's it. I should have just stopped trading. AMD almost at 105. Mm. Well, you had the perfect entry for puts if you want to play puts there. If uses 105 as support, it's bullish. So far, it's rejecting here. I'm gonna get out here. I don't want to keep trading. I'm done. I gave back a lot of profit here, like $100 on each account. Um, so yeah, I don't trust the market. If you guys want to play anything else, I will look for AMD 105. If use it as support, I will play the upside. If use it as resistance, I will play the downside. I'm only holding meta calls, which I really, really like so far. It's looking like a 3-bar play here. I'm gonna look to take a lot of profits around before 324, which is I can see 324 being a resistance. Um, and then 325, and then the next one is 328. So 324, 325, and 328. Those are my PTs for Meta. I want to see Meta holding 318. But yeah. and and watch the Q and Apple. So Apple, if you can hold 176 as support, it's gonna keep going higher to at least 178. And the Q, if you can use this level here as support, pretty much yesterday's low as support. I can see it like filling the gap. You have a lot of resistance around 368.50. Like you have a lot of resistance here, and then the gap is till 369.20. That's your gap. Yeah, so but I'm done for the day. I didn't even wanted to trade today. So I don't like how the market's been moving lately. But yeah, kind of like a flat, a little bit small green for me today. But a green is green, so I'm not gonna complain. So yeah, thank you guys for being here. See you tomorrow. Bye.